I don't recommend you do what I do, but this is what I'm gonna do. Oven cleaner. Got this 82 Celica GT. It's a solid rear axle. It's got the 22R carbureted version of the engine in it. W50 transmission, so it's all there for fun. It's like a fat 8.6 coupe. The main plan for this thing is just to clean it up and bring it back to life. The restoration is way too strong of a word. We're just gonna call this an arts and crafts project for a grown man. Just gonna clean it up, take care of where it needs to be taken care of, put it back together, and get it on the road so someone can enjoy it like I enjoy my hatch. I mean, I know these cars alright, and I have some parts laying around for them because I've been parting these out. I'm hoping this car gets another 5 to 10 years of driving on the road. That would be my ultimate goal with this car. This is not a build. This is an arts and crafts project for a grown man. So, yeah. Hope you are along for the ride. Technically, it's a soon right now. Hopefully it won't be a soon for long. Well, I guess I'm working on it now, so it's not a soon. And if you don't know what a soon is, it's a project that it's going to be finished in air quotes soon. There's tons of those. You can find them all over Facebook Marketplace. You see them everywhere, But I'm hoping this doesn't turn into a soon. I'm just going to stay on it and keep going. That's how to get it done. So I wiped the whole interior down with a rag after doing that. It's not perfect, but this is just a preliminary so I can actually be in there. So after soaking it in degreaser, scrubbing, rinsing, and then rubbing it down with a cloth, this is what we got. Pretty clean. So it's the next day, and as you can see, it's raining. So I was gonna paint the interior of the car today, but I don't want to do that because it's raining. Yeah, I did get the e-brake cable and the gas door cable unhooked from the floor of the car, and I got the wiring harness that went across the floor of the car unattached, so I can hang those up when I paint the ground. I paint the floor. So we decided tonight that we're gonna go to a local car meet. There's several taking place in our town. So she's cleaning up the cars, and it should be pretty funny to take these to a car meet. I'll try to film as much as possible. Very tasteful. Damn. Yeah, anything. Any light's good.
Light? Okay. Yes, sir.
Hell yeah.